Welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to look at Windows Sandbox, and what that is we can spin up another computer within your computer, what's called a virtual machine, that will just temporarily run and save everything until you close it, and then it removes everything. Great for testing a dodgy link from an email. You just want to check, is it spam? Are you running code? You would just want to test it in a fresh environment. Just a nice place to just test things that are disposable that you don't need long term. So let's jump right in and see how it works. So what you're going to do is you need to might first need to turn it on. So if you search for features, you get turn Windows features on or off, and what that's going to do is want you to add your admin credentials, and it will give you this box. Just come to the bottom and tick Windows Sandbox. If it's not on, it will probably want to restart first before you can use it. But once you've done that, you can then easily search Sandbox, and that's going to start to open our secondary Windows environment. So you get this window. It will just take a second or two just to spin it up. It will be resource heavy because it's going to need to use some of your physical resources in it. So I wouldn't recommend you use it day in, day out. But then once it opens, you will see I have a second Windows environment running. Once it gets there, there we go. So Windows, I've got my own start menu with an account, got a very few apps. I've got a couple of settings I can play with, share a folder from my main machine to the Sandbox, or I can redirect my clipboard so I can paste from my main machine here. Great if you've got a dodgy link come in that you just want to double check, you pull it in here, and if it is malware, you close it and your machine is kept safe. Send your audio and input and video, so again you can pull YouTube audio from the machine. I can just open up Edge here. You can see it's pulling through the information from my main laptop at the same time. Date, although it's American, it knows that I'm on a laptop, so it's pulling through the battery information. All of those there, it's just pulling through. Let's see, let's just think of a completely random website. There we go, that opens up. Portfolio, play a video. I need to accept the marketing to enable that. There will be a few annoying things that get in the way, because you've not got all your cookies and everything accepted as normal. But there we go, that video is playing, and it's just a great place to just chuck something to test. Very temporary. You don't need to keep it updated, installing patches. Just a great little hack to make things a little bit easier to test something. Maybe you're working on your own and you just need is this website working, is that fine? Let me just spin up another machine temporarily and just check it myself instead of needing to wait on someone else. And then when you go to close it, it will warn you once it's closed, everything you've put there will be gone. Fine, it's gone, and I get my machine back. It speeds up. You don't need to license it. It's just a nice little place to test things, just to keep your peace of mind as a priority. So get it enabled, turn it on, because when you need it, then it's just there to get started with. Thanks again for watching, and follow along for more tech tips.